Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. If you're new on my channel, you're so welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to make guava leaves, 5 amazing benefits for guava leaves for hair growth. Make sure that you watch this video until to the end. So we are going to use some guava leaves, as you can see. So hair walls are very stressful, from endless salon trips to expensive treatments and products, and sometimes end up, causing more damage than good. All these struggles leaves us, thinking beautiful shining hair may never be ours until we run into home remedies that never disappoint. So guava leaves are such remedies, not one but almost all hair problems. Yeah, so I've gotten 50 grams actually of our dried, guava leaves, and then I'm going to pour in hot water, and then we are going to put it on fire. So guava leaves are highly nutritious and beneficial and have been widely used in many benefits in beauty actually. So guava leaves benefit hair are surprising to many to overlook. From damage repair to hair regrowth, guava leaves have given substantial results. So guava leaves help to control hair loss. There are numerous benefits of guava for hair. The properties in guava leaves help cure various hair problems, especially hair loss. So hair loss is mostly unhealthy, and scalp issues. So guava leaves for hair loss is an excellent remedy, as it has high antimicrobial properties that could off any scalp infections that causes hair loss. High nutrient contents like vitamin B and C nutrients help the scalp and hair follicles and prevent hair loss. So hair fall is the result of infectious and weak scalp, and guava leaves for hair fall is an effective remedy. Guava leaves have antimicrobial and fungal properties that can keep the scalp healthy and strong, eliminating any scalp infections and issues. The nutrients value of guava leaves nourish hair follicles and make them strong, thus preventing hair loss significantly. It promotes growth. So the antioxidant present in guava helps to improve blood flow or circulation in the scalp. This strengthens the scalp and stimulate hair growth. The vitamin B and C in guava leaves nourish the hair follicles and activate them to regrow hair. They also provide the necessary nutrients for certain products. So keratin is the protein hair is made of. So it repairs damaged hair. One of the good benefits of guava leaves for hair is to prevent damage hair and control. So the antioxidants and flavonoids present in guava leaves eliminate free radicals that damage the hair and scalp, of course. So guava leaves not only prevent damage but also repair dry and damaged hair, making hair smooth and healthy. Guava leaves are very moisturizing and conditions hair very well. Guava leaves help hair treatment is a very effective natural conditioner to hair. Guava leaves have soothing effects on the scalp and hair. It helps regulate oil content and treat dry hair issues. It's very good at moisturizing the hair and making it smooth, shiny, and strong. It also improves scalp health. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It promotes scalp healthy by treating scalp issues like itchy scalp, dandruff, inflammation, etc. So scalp issues block the pores and hinder nutrients absorption. The antioxidants in guava leaves eliminate the free radicals that damage the scalp. So make sure that you label your product, because like if you have many sprays, it will be difficult, and you have to make sure that you preserve it. So I preserved it with a natural preservative. I don't want to discard it after 4 days. So if you don't have a preservative, you can actually store it in the fridge for 5 days. So of course, like I'm in a protective hairstyle. I did twist protective hairstyle, which I do for months. I'm in a challenge actually, so I've just gathered like all the twists and put some kind of a thread. Yes, so spraying it regularly throughout our hair strands and on the scalp. This will promote hair growth, prevent hair fall. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on that red subscribe button and subscribe today. Comment in the section below if you're going to make guava or if you have tried it before. I really love it. I love the smell. So thank you so much, dear friends, for your love and your support. I really appreciate you guys for watching my videos. God bless you. See you in our next video.